Hello, what's up guys? My name is Caesar and today I'm going to announce something na I'm having a hard time kung anong type of content ang ipopost ko sa YouTube channel na to. And this channel kasi was reinstated by YouTube channel by the YouTube partner program kasi last time it was suspended due to some policy issue. So YouTube policy issue. So magtatanong lamang ako sa inyo if ever makapag-comment down below kayo if ever yung mga subscriber, the reason why you was recommended to this video kasi dati kang nanonood or dati kang subscriber or existing subscriber ka of this YouTube channel, and then hingi lang ako ng kaunting pabor. Sana makapag-comment down below ka kung ano ang type of content that you wanted to watch sa channel na to. So ayun, comment down below. And ayun, so far stable na tayo. As you can see, for the last 4 years medyo nawala pero stable na tayo. Magi-giveaways tayo ng Gcash. So pipili tayo ng 5 magko-comment ng kung anong type of contents na the reason why napasubscribe sila sa channel na to last 4 years ago. So comment down below, or maraming type of contents kasi naka-post sa YouTube na to. So possible may mga technical, may mga programming, or even yung mga random videos na pinopost ko. So possible na yun nga, hindi ko alam. So hoping na makapag-comment down below kayo kung anong type of videos ang type of content ang in-expect nyo sa channel na to, and I will do my best para ma-provide yon. I will kumbaga ipaprocess ko yung mga comment nyo and then makapag-provide sa inyo, and as much as possible the type of content that I wanted to upload sa channel na to is a give back type of a video. For example, mamimigay tayo ng Gcash if ever, also yung mga type of contents na kailangan nyo based on mga na-comments nyo. Top 10. Ayun lang po, maraming salamat sa panonood. Magiging short video lang to, a little bit of something like a boost up ng views if ever this would be a successful video. Ayan, maraming salamat, and please subscribe or even share the video if ever man na may mga natutunan kayo sa mga pinagagawa natin dito sa YouTube. And thank you, and see you again next time.